Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my method of how I clean NES cartridges. Um, 9 out of 10 times, games don't usually load because of the actual pins aren't clean. And the other reason is that the pin connector is either the teeth are bent or it's just dirty. It just needs a little bit of cleaning. The materials you're going to need is obviously an NES cartridge, game bit screwdriver, maybe a toothbrush, an eraser, a Q-tip, maybe a little scrubbing thing, a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and that's pretty much it. So to open these up, you just have to flip them over. Some games have the 5 screw. This one only has 3. So you just take your game bit, you open up the game. It's really easy to do. Put the screws off to the side. There you go. Open that up, put it off to the side. Now we're just going to clean these pins, both sides. The first thing we're going to do, you can either use a toothbrush, just like that. Just scrub it down. You can also you can scrub it with this harder thing, same thing. Lightly, just like that. The best method is to use an eraser. This works really, really well. Just go side to side on the pins, on the board, just like that. Now do the other side, just like that. Just like that. Now you can take a rag, just clean it off a little bit. Now you can spray some rubbing alcohol on the Q-tip, just like that on one end. And now just go back and forth, just like that. Now flip it over, do the back. This one was actually pretty dirty. A lot actually came off on this one. So this one I needed a cleaning. So there you go, it's looking much better. Now you can give it a little wipe. Now let's put the board back in. There you go. Make sure you put it on properly. These two ends go inside this end here, just like that. And now all you gotta do is close it up. Put the 3 screws back in. Just go snug, don't go too hard, because you might crack the plastic. As soon as you feel it tightening, that's when you know it's good. So there you go. Like I said, 9 times out of 10, it's usually the game itself that actually needs cleaning. The board it gets really dusty in here. And then if you're getting the blinking light with colors, you just got to take out your pin connector. Some people boil it. Some people just dip it in alcohol or whatever and just clean it up. Um, you can also scrub this down as well, just like that. And then just as long as the teeth aren't bent, it should be good. And then just add some alcohol. Just either dip it in alcohol or spray it, and then just let it dry, and then put it back in your system. So that's basically how I clean my cartridges, and they load up pretty much on the first time. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and on to the next one.